Hello my friends, this is your Vladimir speaking. I would like to warmly welcome you in Homewood Spirit. I have a great news for you today. We can all relax and release all the negative energy from everyday's life because we have here our wood, which is by itself very relaxing material. We have here our tools, and we have here this incense burner with this lovely tea candle and a nice relaxing smell from this incense. I would like to show you how I made it so you can make one for yourself. So lean back, relax and enjoy. I start with making the bottom surface flat with hand plane. Then I mark the inside shape and prepare my cuts with cupping saw and hand saw for splitting. I like to split the wood this way to remove material faster. Then I add some cleaning touches with gouge to roughly reach the top surface of the incense burner. I mark the desirable shape according to the candle and incense. Then I cut the rear part with cupping saw and finalize the shape with a gauge. Next step is marking the bottom and carving it into lovely rounded shape. The hole for tea candle can be hollowed out with gauges and knife. I repeat this process 2 or 3 times to get appropriate depth. Then I hollow out the tray for the ash and I tidy it up with few neat touches with gauge. I finish the top edge, and at this stage I can remove the holders for bench dogs and carry on with rounded shape at the bottom. It is a good idea to slightly cut the sharp edge at the top. I can now drill the holes for incenses and paint it ideally with tung oil. And JD, job done. So here they are. Here are the incense burners. If you already have some experiences with wood carving, you can experiment with all different shapes. Like me, for example, I made this wavy shape of this incense holder. The wood is very creative material. Alright, so I hope you received at least a little bit of the relaxing vibes from today's wood carving session. If you like it, you can subscribe it, and you can also go to homewoodspirit.com where you can find more information. I will see you next time and have a great day.